Hey, what's going on guys, Pog here and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be unboxing this Apple Watch Series 6. Now, taking a look here on the top of the box, as you guys can see, we have the Apple Watch, which is engraved. Looks really good. And then if we look over here on the left side, you can see we have this pull tab, which is how we will open this. Taking a look here, we have nothing. Over here, still nothing. We don't have any pull tabs over here, but that's what that side looks like. Now, taking a look here on the bottom, you can see that this here is the space gray aluminum case, 44mm. So without further ado, let's get this opened. Here's the box without the plastic wrapping. You can see the engraved Apple Watch right there. Again, it looks really nice. So let's get this opened. So let's put all of these aside. Now taking a look here at the Apple Watch box cover, you can see that we have the new solo loops right over here. And then this looks like to be the braided one. We have the new blue color right there. All right, so let's put these away. And let's take a look at these stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one aside. So I'm gonna start off taking a look at this charcoal braided solo loop. So you can see this is the box that it comes with. On the side here, 44mm. It also has 10, because this here is the size 10. Looking over here, charcoal braided solo loop. We have a pull tab right here. Braided solo loop, as you can see. All right, so let's get this opened. Also, here's the other sides in case you want to see, but let's get this opened. I'm gonna pull this. There we go. Opens right up. Some instructions over here. Gonna put this away. Apple Watch right there. Let's open this up. Shows us how to get it onto the Apple Watch, it looks like. And then here we have the braided solo loop. All right, so it looks like we have a pull tab here too, actually. Gonna just do that. Comes right out. And here we have the braided solo loop. It is actually stretchy, as you can see. Now, for comparison, here is the charcoal braided solo loop next to the graphite Milanese loop. This here is the Series 6 graphite stainless steel Apple Watch. So if you want to see the unboxing on that, I'll have a link in the description so you guys can see it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to put this on the Apple Watch and then try it out. So let's put this aside. Now here we have the box where the Apple Watch is. You can see we have the Apple Watch, which is kind of sticking out right there. Looks really good. Here's the side, Series 6, space gray aluminum case, 44mm. Taking a look here, nothing. There's this side. And then if we look over here on the bottom, you can see we have more pull tabs right over here as well. So I'm gonna start off pulling this one. Let's pull this one as well. There we go. Slides right out. All right, so right over here, we have designed by Apple in California. Got some instructions. All right, let's put this away. Now, obviously, you can notice that the Series 6 Apple Watch does not come with the USB power adapter. So you had to either buy one if you don't have one or use the one that you currently have. So opening this up, we have the charger for the Apple Watch. So it's USB right here. And then if we pull this out, you can see over here, we have the charger. Putting this away, we are left with the Apple Watch 44mm Space Gray. So I'm gonna just get this out. Comes right out. I did end up just turning it on. Okay, so again, behind here, 44mm. Putting this away as well. I'll just put it right here. So here we got the Apple Watch Space Gray. Take a look here on this on the right side. You can see we have the digital crown right over here. We also have the power button right there, as well as like where you can go and switch between apps. Here's how we will be connecting the watch bands. Now the back is this one right here, so you can see Apple Watch Series 6 44mm aluminum and ceramic case right there. Looks really good. So here I got the braided solo loop, so this will just slide right in here. Clicks into place. And then I have this side over here, slides right in, clicks into place as well. All right, so now let's put this Apple Watch onto my wrist. Okay, so it is actually nice and snug. It's not too tight. I mean, obviously I'm losing the adjustability where I can just adjust it whichever way I like it. But it does feel really nice on my wrist. So over here, you can see it right there. And then it's obviously connected to the Apple Watch itself. Now removing it is pretty easy. It's nice that it stretches, obviously. Let's put this on one more time real quick. Yeah, I mean, I like the these kinds or the sport band more because I get to adjust how I like it. I mean, I do like this braided look though, but I would still probably I might like the sport band more, to be honest. But this is definitely a really nice secondary thing, and obviously I do have a sport band as well, so I can just switch that out as well, or I can even put this Milanese loop onto this one. Anyway, so let's put this away, and then I will just set up using the iPhone. All right, so here I have the iPhone XS Max. As you can see, as soon as I put it next to the Apple Watch, asking me if I want to set up the Apple Watch, I'm going to hit continue. Right over here, it's now asking me if I want to set this up for myself or set up for a family member. Another thing you can notice over here, it's saying if I want to set it up for a family member, it requires Apple Watch Series 4, GPS Plus cellular or later. But I will be setting this up for myself. So let's hit set up for myself. Now it's asking me to put this onto the Apple Watch and scan the code. So I will be just doing that right now. I will be hitting set up Apple Watch. On which wrist do you wear Apple Watch? I will be wearing it on my left. Connecting your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. Okay, terms and conditions. Signing in to your account, this may take a few minutes. I'm gonna hit don't share for now for Watch Analytics. Hit OK on this. All right, so here we have a way to adjust if we want to have bold text. As you can see on the Apple Watch, it shows it right there. It also shows it over here. But it's nice that it even shows it right on the Apple Watch. And then we can also drag this and adjust it to see how we like it. I'm just going to leave it like this. So let's hit continue. Going to create a passcode. So let me just do that. This code can be easily guessed. Do you still want to use it? Of course. Perfect. All right, so then we have the new feature for the Series 6 Apple Watch, blood oxygen. So I will be enabling this, or we can set up later. So let's hit enable. Keep your Apple Watch up to date or install updates manually. I will hit continue on this one. Set up later in the Apple Watch app. This is for the Apple Pay. That's what I'll do. Emergency SOS, we'll hit continue right here. And then clock face, hit continue. We can choose to install all the available apps that we have on the iPhone, or I can choose later, so that's what I'm gonna do. Apple Watch is syncing and it will be soon ready. So let's wait for that to be done. Now, while the Apple Watch is syncing, as you can see, if I use the digital crown, I can just scroll down. For example, I can hit display. It will show us how to use it, which is really nice. There you go, Apple Watch is ready, but while you wait, you can do that. And here I have it. So it's all set up. So I can just press this once. It will open up the dock. I can just scroll through it. Swiping up from the bottom, we have the controls. And then from top to bottom, we have the notifications. And that was the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6 Space Gray 44mm GPS with the charcoal braided solo loop. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.